Metric Maths Made Easy by virtue of the YouTube channel, or at metric.maths.made.easy TikTok channel. The quadratic inequalities. Yeah. Suppose now you're supposed to find the values of x when y equals to negative x squared. Yeah. So when will negative x squared be equal to 0, or when will negative x squared be greater than 0? When will be negative x squared be greater than or equal to 0? When will be negative x squared be less than 0? And when will be negative x squared be less than or equal to 0? Now this doesn't apply anymore, so we have to change it. Now I'm just doing it for those who understand that the graph with this one negative, it changes. Yeah. So it's it's reflected along the x-axis, yeah, along y equal to 0 to there. So the graph of y equals to negative x squared, yeah, is facing downwards. Now it's got a maximum, yeah. So we know in the previous videos that the negative x squared, it will be equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. So this one is easy, it's fine, it's the same, but the other ones are going to change, yeah. So negative x squared will be greater than 0 when? So this is the graph of negative x squared. It will never be above the x-axis, so there will be no solution. Negative x squared will never be equal to 0. So here there will be no solution. So this one goes there. Okay? So here x got no solution. And then when will be negative x squared be greater than or equal to 0? So we know it's going to be 0 when x is equal to 0, but otherwise it's not going to be greater than 0. So it will be this one, x equals to 0. So negative x squared will be greater than or equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. Yeah. So otherwise there will be no solution when negative x squared will never be greater than 0. Yeah. So y equal to 0 is there. It's always below. So it's maximum at x equals to 0. And then when will negative x squared be less than 0? This one is nice, easy. Negative x squared is less than 0 for all the values of x. Yeah. So this one is less than 0 for all the values of x. So we say x, element of real numbers, but x must not be 0, yeah, because it's not equal to 0, yeah. So x not equal to 0. And then last but not least, when will be negative x squared be less than or equal to 0? So this one will be when x is an element of real numbers, yeah, including the 0. So this is how you read it. So you're reading the other side of the graph. This is your answer. So please share and like, subscribe and follow. I'll repeat this, but do it for the rest of us, yeah, the ones that divide by negative 1. Thank you. Bye.